I've been having some fun carving today. That's my first carve. I got an app on my phone that gives me a 3D image, and that's with me smoothing and everything. There's a lot to it, so I'm not there yet, but it's kind of cool. It's one of my first 3D carves, and then this is after I fixed it, cleaned it, fixed all the stars, made them right. That's an exact copy of it, but it's got a couple of knots in it, and this is just an SGC thing. So I'm just having some fun with the carving part, learning it. All right, this is a 3D modeling. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I'm learning. This is some of my just some V carve with a etching or laser, and just a picture of inside my shark box carving away and keeping the dust down. Enjoying that. Well, if you ever wondered what you looked like before God got a hold of you, that's it. That's what I looked like before God got a hold of me. And we're going to change that bit out. That's the roughing pass. We're going to put in the ball nose and see what comes out of it. All right, I downloaded this off of Thingiverse, and this is a Royal Ranger Emblem. I've been working on it, refining it. That was one of my first attempts at 3D copying. Uh, got an app, scanned my face with a phone, carved it, and then smoothed it out a little bit. The carve aspire, and they're some of my first projects. Having fun with it.